Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ledger in Tally Prime. Open Tally Prime and head to Accounts Info, then select Ledgers and choose Create. Type a clear ledger name, pick the appropriate group, enter an opening balance if needed, and record primary transaction details. Save the ledger and review the account in the Display menu to confirm accuracy and classification for reporting. Pick ledger names that make sense to you and your team and avoid ambiguity. Use consistent prefixes or department tags so reports stay organized and searches return precise results. Keep names short but descriptive and refrain from symbols that might break exports. This approach keeps your chart of accounts tidy and makes future reconciliations and audits faster and less stressful for everyone involved. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video for more practical tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long accounting sessions, and its leak-proof lid makes carrying it between desks effortless. I use it during month-end close to stay focused and refreshed. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Check ledger configuration options right after creation so transactions post correctly. Toggle inventory or tax settings when the ledger relates to stock or taxable sales, and align the opening date with your fiscal period. Choose a voucher class if you want automatic behavior for similar entries, and set a default narration to speed up recurring postings. These small adjustments save time and prevent classification errors later on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.